Replacing the light bulb in a PGF. Remove front cover of Fractionator by removing all 7 screws. Pull straight up on cover to remove. Remove screw from light bracket. Free light bracket. Twist and remove bulb. Insert new bulb. Reassemble bracket and tighten screw. For more information, visit biocompinstruments.com.